Today I want to share with you a delicious beet smoothie that's perfect to make for your mother on Mother's Day. It features beetroot, a ton of spices including vanilla, chaga mushroom, cinnamon, as well as nutmeg, a little bit of milk, and then some marine collagen for some silky young skin. So for this smoothie, we'll need some beetroot. The spices include some Ceylon cinnamon, vanilla bean powder, chaga mushroom, and some ground nutmeg. Milk of your choice, either soy, almond, or cow's milk, and then a scoop of marine collagen. So into the blender, we're gonna add in a piece of beetroot that's cooked. And there you have it, a beet smoothie that has no added sugar because the spices really add a nice aroma and fragrance to this smoothie. Let's give it a try now. Of course, the frothed milk is just an extra touch, not necessary, but I love foam. This smoothie is also great for those going through PMS because beets actually will dilate your blood vessels and keep your oxygen flowing throughout your body. Try this out the next time, either for your mother or for yourself. And until next time, relish every bite.